fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. I don't usually go out this late at night, to the place where the animals go.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, gagawan ko ng makeup tutorial itong EB Advanced Uncover 2. So just keep watching.
To the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move.
So first things first, magpe-prep ako ng skin. So I'm using this Hello Kitty face mist.
Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me.
And for my eyebrow, I'm using this Wonder Brow, smudge proof and waterproof na rin siya. And for eye primer, I'm using this EB Advanced Liquid Concealer. This is the EB Advanced Uncover 2 eyeshadow palette, looks like. And ito yung sa loob niya. Ito yung mga eyeshadows. And I'm using this fluffy brush. And yung gagamitin nating eyeshadow, yung first base is this light brown or soft brown. And i-apply natin sa ating crease area. So, you don't have to be perfect sa pag-apply. Kasi base lang to siya as long as na-set natin yung eye primer natin. And for the second eyeshadow, I'm using this orangey shade. Same procedure din kanina. Apply natin sa crease area natin. Then, blend, 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 blend. So, same brush pa rin kanina. Yung ginamit natin sa base. Fluffy brush pa rin. And this part, I'm using this blending brush. And ito yung brush ko sa Naked palette ko. Yung sa Urban Decay. So, I'm using this purple or reddish eyeshadow. So, concentrate lang tayo sa my outer V. And slowly go sa center ng crease natin.
There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the harmonies. Let go of you.
This part, I'm using again the fluffy brush para i-blend ko yung dalawang eyeshadow, yung orangey and yung purple reddish na shade. Part, naglagay ako ng liquid concealer dito sa may center of my eyelids. Maglalagay ako ng gold shimmer. And I'm using this kind of brush. I don't know anong tawag dito. Ito yung i-apply ko sa my gold shimmer. So, ayan.
Baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should.
On this part, mag-re-apply tayo ng yung reddish or purplish na shade para walang harsh line. So, same procedure. This is a liquid eyeliner. It's from Momuso. So, gagawa lang ako ng simple wing. this Maybelline Fit Me, and my shade is Warm Nude.
Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. I don't usually go out this late.
To blend this foundation, I'm using this beauty blender from O2O. Yan, para siyang velvety.
I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
And this part, mag-highlight ako. I'm using EB Advanced Wicked Concealer.
You should dance with me.
For my setting powder, I'm using this from the Chido. So, yeah, hindi ako magbe-bake ngayon kasi I realized na yung pagbe-bake is just a beauty trend. So, yan, isiset ko lang yung powder sa face ko. So, yung tamang pag-set ng powder sa face natin is yung itong ginagawa ko, yung pagpe-press, hindi yung parang binabrush out yung pag-a-apply. So, ganyan lang, press lang. So, my fake lashes, it's from Taiwan Lashes. It's M14. So, for the lower lash line eyeshadow, so I'm using this purple reddish shade and I'm using this kind of brush. Yan, apply natin lang sa my lower lash line.
Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me.
And this part, papatungan natin siya ng dark brown. So, same procedure, lower lash line din, papatungan lang.
But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my...
This part, mag-apply ako ng shimmering sa may tear duct area. So, I'm using this brush. Yan. And, pati na rin sa may brow bone, mag-apply rin ako ng shimmering. And for the contour, I'm using this Vice Cosmetics. The shade is Confirm. And I'm using this brush for contouring my nose. So this brush is the best brush for contouring the underneath cheekbone. So yan, the best talaga siya, guys.
Go. Baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire.
Don't forget, i-contour natin yung temple areas, yung jaw natin.
You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of you.
So, ayan, wala akong peachy blush. So, gagamitin ko na lang yung orangey shade sa palette. So, apply natin sa may cheek area natin. I-apply din natin yung peachy blush sa ating chin. So for the liquid lipstick, I'm using this Caroline. The shade is Gotta Go.
Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me.
Muntikan ko na makalimutan mag-apply ng highlighter. So, I'm using this Glow Kit Sweet. It's from Anastasia. So, the shade that I'm using is Sassy Grape.
Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with her harmonies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
And this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up for this video. Thank you.
Only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me.